do a lot of different window coverings, and people always ask the question, are they worth it or not? In our experience with custom plantation shutters, those are one of the window coverings that most people really see value in because they're built into the windows. One of the great parts about plantation shutters is that they rarely need to be repaired. There aren't any operable cords or strings or complicated lifting mechanisms. They don't usually feature any motors. They're just very simple, and they've been made the same way for a couple of hundred years now. So a lot of people see value in that, and plantation shutters really enhance the value of a home. Many of the upper end homes we do use plantation shutters, and especially on the front of the house. When people pull up to a new home, they're really looking for the best curb appeal possible, and there's a lot of beautiful shades out there, but they all show white to the outside, whereas a plantation shutter might have a nice stained look to the outside if you chose a stained shutter on the inside, or might have a uniform white look to the outside if it matches your white trim. But definitely one of the most valuable and one of the most popular window coverings, especially for an upper-ended look in your decor. Having that upper-ended look is a benefit to doing plantation shutters, but I think more importantly for the homeowner that isn't worried about maintenance and doesn't want to have to worry about fixing or repairing or replacing over time. For us, a plantation shutter is really kind of a one-time treatment. The only time we see people change those out is maybe when they get tired of the style or the color or the configuration, but shutters last a lifetime in a window, therefore they're a very good investment. We find that most home styles work well with plantation shutters. Our only, word of caution on using plantation shutters is that they are going to take up about 20% of the view of your window. And that should be taken into account for environments that have a beautiful mountain view or golf course view, lake view. Anywhere where you've opened your house up to nature and you'd really like to bring the outdoors in, we highly recommend against plantation shutters in those situations because they can block your view and they can make it look walled off from the outside. Outside of that, they're great for neighborhoods because you have the ability to tilt the shutter up or down to allow the light in and to be able to give yourself privacy at the same time. So it really offers a fantastic view and the ultimate in function for bedrooms, for dining rooms, living rooms, blocking glare on TVs, and especially darkening rooms for children that take naps and want to sleep.